there's a practice or Otis elevator in Hyvinkää railway station. It has been modernized too early, and yeah, there comes the train. Okay, well, 10 persons, so 800 kilograms. Built in 1995, it says 1994. Modernized in 2017, B1 NE 1804 or B1 SE 1804. Too bad.
Yeah.
But you can see there's still old flow indicators there, but they're not working anymore. Low oil sounds there.
Yeah.
You can press it. You press it. Both doors outputs. I think one is quite okay. Anyway, too bad elevator from to the right. Or to the right.
Yeah, but 1.5 right because we have to change elevators.
Yeah. But I stopped the video.
Yeah.
Why there is so much door open and door close buttons? 4 buttons totally.
Yeah.
That is a bit strange. Or actually there's 8 buttons. What the hell? Crap this. There's this. That's it. Tunnel
Yeah.
That's it. I think this tunnel is quite nice. It's very modern, but there's still some crap there. Leave that one. This is another Otis elevator at Hyvinkää railway station. There's the machine room. You can hear the sounds. Oh, what the fuck? Built in 1995, modernized in 2017, low oil there. B1 NE 180403 or B1 SE 1803.
Tempers so 800 kilograms.
What the hell is the door motor?
Inspected by Kiva Inspect and maintained by Otis or nowadays practice.
Yeah. There was a similar this, but anyway. Now it changes to practice. There's more ball. More.
That's